Hello and welcome back to Technical Mac. In today's video, I will be guiding you through step-by-step process on how to add a song to your Instagram story. In addition to that, we will discuss a few common questions like how to use the Instagram story music feature, how to add lyrics to your Instagram story, how to add music to an Instagram story so that it will not have a sticker on it, and much more to discuss. So stick with me till the very end of this video, and without any further ado, let's begin the video. There are a couple of ways to add music to an Instagram story. One of them is to use Instagram's music sticker, and the other one is to add music to your video before you upload it on your story. Now let's come to the first method, that is using the Instagram story music sticker. Now let's move to our mobile application so that we can have a clear demonstration on how to do that. So here I am opening this Instagram app and I am already logged into this account. For adding music into the story, first of all we need to create a new story. So I am tapping on my profile here to create a new story, and then first of all I will create the story. Now the content of my story is created and now I want to add a music into it. So for doing that we have two options. First is just by tapping on this stickers icon on top of your screen, and then once you tap on it, you will get different options here. Here you can select the music or click on it, and the another one is just by swiping up on your screen and you will get that same option here. After doing that, tap on this music sticker to get started. Once you tap on that button, you will get a new screen where you will be given some recommended music on your page. You can also browse different musics and songs according to your needs and according to the category you want. And if you have any specific music, then you can search them here in the search box. But for now I am going to use this music here. You can surely have a demonstration here. Just by tapping on this play button you can play any song and you can have an idea of how it will look on your story. For now I am just selecting this music, that is Pirate. I will click on it. It will show one screen on which there will be a timeline, and I can select a portion of that whole music which I want to add into my story. I will select this portion. This will be of default 15 seconds, and I can definitely change this sticker. Once you finish, simply click on this done option. After that I will place this sticker according the way I want it. So I will place it here like this, and once I am happy with this, I will just add this to my story. Now we have seen how to add music into our stories. Then another question come in our mind is that how to add lyrics to your Instagram stories. So let me clarify one thing, that lyrics are not available for all musics. So it will be only available for songs and not for just musics. So let's have a demo of how to add lyrics into that. Now once again come to this device and I will do those same things here. For this time I am selecting this song. Okay, so as you can see here on my screen, this lyrics are visible, and we have different options of having those lyrics and different styles of lyrics. You can change it according to your wants, and here we also have those stickers. So if you don't want those stickers, you can also choose an alternative as the lyrics, and you can switch between them and keep the one which you like. Here you can also change the length of your story. So if you are having an image, then you can definitely change its length just by tapping on this time here, this 15. So when I will tap on it, I will be given an option to choose the time, and minimum time is 5 seconds. So let's say I am keeping it for 10 seconds. And when I click OK, it will become the story of 10 seconds. So that's how you can also change the size of your story, or you can change the length of your story. Again I am keeping it 15. We can also change its color here, and we can do all the styling related stuff. And once I am happy, I can put them here. Let's say I want it into black color, so I will change it to black. and as you can see here, now these lyrics are available here. So that's how you can add lyrics to your Instagram stories. Now another question comes in our mind is that how to add music on an Instagram story without the sticker. We often see stories of our friends, they don't have a single sticker or lyrics on their stories, but still they have music on them. So how do we can achieve those things? So there are two methods. First one is the regular method, which is of adding music at the time of editing your videos, and this can be done using any video editing software, and it is quite complicated task if you don't know the basics of video editing. But let me show you one trick through which you can use the feature of Instagram stories music and have a clean story there. So let's jump into our device once again to see that trick. Let's say we want to add a music here. So first of all, I will tap on the sticker and then I will select music. Then here I will search for the music that I want to add. Let's say I am selecting this music here, the one which I selected earlier, and then I will hit OK. And I will reduce its size using two fingers, and then holding it through one finger, I will hold it using another finger, and then I will drag it outside of this screen and place it at the point where it is not visible on your screen. The size of the stories are of that of the size of screen, and once you will place that sticker outside of your screen, it will not be visible to anyone who is watching your story. So in this way you can achieve this thing and you can remove those stickers from your stories. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your reviews and doubts in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.